We all know you have food you don't know how to use. The fettuccine from Friday, broccoli from brunch, and even the parsley from President's Day. What if we told you exactly what you can make, how you can make it, and how many calories and other nutrients are involved, all within a simple, user-friendly app and website? Quickbite uses readily available resources to innovate many working solutions to this everyday household problem.
A common struggle in the United States is buying food for one dish, cooking it, and having a standalone ingredient or two that we don't know what to do with. We look in our pantries and see a bunch of junk, then end up just resolving to eat out or cook something bland. Meanwhile, our ingredients get old or never used until it's time to toss out our spoiled
As
food.
poor college students, we struggle with knowing what to do with the food that we do have. So we took it on to ourselves to find a way to save money by eating what we have, instead of investing more money in the endless rabbit hole we were trying to cover up by buying more food. We wanted to innovate something useful so that we could be able to eat what we buy.
We think that an application could be the perfect solution. If we had some way to plug in the ingredients we have, the amounts of each ingredient, and get back several recipes and instructions to choose from, we wouldn't be stuck wondering if it's another ramen day or time to finally use what's been sitting in our fridge.
We were looking for an innovative, top-of-the-line solution to meet modern standards. Through meticulous planning and execution, we wanted to be able to make an app that is user-friendly, lives up to modern expectations in terms of usability and convenience, and solve a real-world problem that impacts many people's daily lives.
The main issue is coming up with a way to tell a computer what we have and have it give back a meaningful response that can help us make something out of our ingredients.
Making your own database or implementing someone else's would be very difficult and time-consuming. We figured the best way to implement the kind of functionality we need is to use an API call. We are using Spoonacular for all of our API and database needs.
Using an API call, we can utilize modern AI technology to get the information we need by directly asking other readily available software for the information we need to compile for the user.
Having all the information you need for shopping, cooking, and dieting gathered into one place can really help a variety of people and lifestyles. It can also have a significant impact on food waste prevention and reduce harmful gas emissions by lowering the demand of food products and the resources needed to throw away rotten food.
We developed a user-friendly interface that can take the ingredients you have, and based on what you want, you can get a lot of information. You can add or remove ingredients, ask for recipes that include not listed ingredients, view the price of the needed ingredients, view the cooking instructions, view the nutrition facts, and more.
By using an API in the back end, we can handle a lot of the data in a way that makes it easy to implement all the features we need to and have enough manpower to continue adding quality of life features.
We're using the technical tools at our disposal to make Quickbite available on every major platform, both as an app and as a website, so we can access our recipe needs whether we're at home or at the grocery store.
We started by making a working model in simple Python using the terminal. After getting a working model that responds to our requests properly, we branched off on a bunch of key features that would provide the ideal user experience.
Python libraries like PyInstaller and Streamlit, we are able to turn our Python code into a more user-friendly version that looks professional and clean. We can make accessing recipe and ingredient information easy for our users. We want to provide an innovative solution to the public to play our part in making the world a better place.
We believe that providing software that is helpful and usable in everyday life is one of the best ways we can inspire others to create something, to give to the world for the benefit of all.
In the near future, we plan to implement AI image recognition capabilities to allow users to simply take a picture of their ingredients, their fridge or pantry, and get recipe recommendations automatically without manual ingredient input.
With that in mind, we also intend to implement a meal calendar that can make meal planning easier than ever before.
Thank you for supporting Quickbite.